As some of you might know, Matt Hughes died on the 26th of last month, and so I'm making a little tribute to him. He was, I guess some can say, a crazy guy who went out with Sean Casey, Joel Taylor, Reed Timmer, and photographed tornadoes around the country, and mostly here in the Midwest. And, you know, me being one that got really close to them, and losing a friend that I loved and care about still, he will truly be missed in the chasing community. So I want to send out my regards to his family and the rest who know him and love him. Matt Hughes will truly be missed. Rest in peace, my friend.